In this video I will show you the 3-octave G major scale. We start on the G string, all in first position, and the sheet music is below the video. Here on the A string we move to third position. On the E string we play 1, 2 and then we move to fifth position. We play 1, 2, 3, 4, then we extend our fourth finger. Then we move it back. We move back to third position, 2, 1. Move back to the A string, second finger. The G major 3-octave scale. Good luck practicing.